Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight, shine or light.
Yes, baby. Let me call you back, okay? Hey, what are you doing in this room?
Sister Leah asked me to do some work for her. She'll go buy something. She'll be back soon.
Aliyah, when you know very well our valuables are in this room. Look here, get out. Now!
She asked me to do some cleaning.
I say get out! You stink.
Hey.
Riff-raff. Dirty looking thing. Some people just don't understand the meaning of level.
Ah, Khadija, you are back. Where's the anywhere boy?
I asked him to get out.
Did he finish my work?
I don't know about that. All I know is he was alone here. Aliyah, look, if you don't value your things, I do. Besides, he stinks too much. How could you allow such filth in here?
Hey, are you accusing me of being irresponsible? Do you think I'll allow just anybody in here? Besides, that boy does not stink. Haven't you seen him here before?
Well, he looks shifty.
This girl, they bore me.
Who that?
Who does she think she is? See, if the circumstances were maybe we did where we did.
Chala, could see every time they tell you, say, if not for circumstances, like, now I'm not dealing with sister, they do my national service self. Ah, do you mean why they call Khadija? That girl always has a nose in the air. Are you sure for herself?
Who else? See, the girl sacked me like.
You sacked me from the room?
Chale, he sacked me like Abi.
You be what? Kwata, leper. Ooh, kwata pa. This time the girl go far. Well, I don't blame her. It's the fault of those foolish old men who chase her. So sorry and got men in the system.
But see, her time will come.
Oh, definitely. What will get its level.
Tesuku, maza, yisuku, kaba. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City. Shine your light.
Yes, baby. Oh, Daniel, at the car park. Okay, dear. Okay, I'm on my way. Bye. Darling,
hi.
missed you.
Khadija be that too. Every time she want to go at different level. Tell it. Let me see with you. Is that one of her losers?
Hey, man, he has got daughters that are older than her.
Oh, Papa.
Hey, my homie.
But they won't be that. Some job. Hey,
wait. Easy.
Oh, okay, Minnie.
Which kind of job?
Don't even think of it.
I bought a few things for you.
Wow.
Or just a few things.
Oh,
Nothing much.
I can't wait to see them.
Oh, don't worry. I'll buy you more. Yeah? Just these things.
For me?
Oh,
Thank you.
yeah.
Any work, boys? Please come and carry my things for me, eh?
You said where to go. We are on strike. Let's go nowhere.
What's happening?
Can you imagine?
No work today. We should go carry goods.
Look, don't mind those ragamuffins. Foolish boys.
I can lift it. Let me help you.
Thank you.
Sorry. Yeah. So I tried to get you the other time. Oh, they say you are.
Both float, aka Togbe.
Charlie, talk. Look, this is coming for us.
You'll be down.
Escape.
calm down.
This guy.
I'm here, darling.
Yeah, I can see you here.
Let's go.
That's okay.
See this here, yeah, girl, you gotta do that.
Charlie, make no man self. And she thinks she's better than moi.
Dog girl.
This one again.
I don't want to work for her again, no.
Let's go.
Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.
Okay, see. How are you?
Shine your light.
You must be enjoying your reading. Sorry for the interruption.
No problem, sister. It's a small reading, you know, to upgrade myself.
Really? That's nice. That's nice. Anyway, I'm sorry for what happened 3 days ago.
No problem, sister. Okay.
That's your money.
Hey, sister. Thank you very much. You know what? You've made my day. Is there anything I can do for you?
Yes. I want you to get me 6 fresh eggs from the market. I'll be in my room.
Your room.
Yeah.
I beg. Spare me that place.
Oh, so sorry for my roommate's rudeness. But that shouldn't stop us from doing business.
But what if it happens again? Okay. For your sake, I go do am. Sister, if you find 5 person you, I didn't like you.
Anyway, thank you. Thank you very much, okay? And what is she looking for?
My phone. I can't find my phone.
Where did you actually leave it?
Shall I give me your phone and let me flash it and see if I find it? Switched off.
Are you sure you didn't leave it in a taxi or?
Maybe I did, but I'm convinced I left it. Where's your any work boy?
Which any work boy?
Akwesi or whatever he calls himself. Look, I saw him coming out of the room when I was coming up.
Yes, I sent him.
Yes, and you decided to leave him alone in the room again. Please find him for me.
So you are suspecting him?
Please, I'm going to find him before he sells my phone.
Hey. No, I'll fetch him. You wait here.
Why?
Listen, I don't want any noise. And don't forget, he's only a suspect at this point in time.
Okay, then hurry up.
How do you do, Is there any problem?
Yes. I want you to tell me the truth. I don't mean to sound offensive, but did you take any mobile phone from my room?
Mobile phone? Oh, no.
Akwesi, are you sure?
Oh, Sister Pan, I cannot take what I've not been asked to take. I brought the eggs this afternoon. You're not around, so I just dropped it on the table and then went out. I didn't touch anything. You can search me if you like, search me.
You know something, Akwesi? You have to come with me right now and tell my roommate.
Your roommate?
Because I can't explain it. You know, you have to go with me, okay?
I dey come. Hey! I dey come. Ah.
Lady Macbeth.
Please, that's not funny.
So what's up?
It's my phone. Somebody has stolen my phone.
What? The 3G phone?
Yes.
Jesus Christ. That phone costs about 5 million or so.
I suspect one of the Anyway boys.
Oh dear.
Yes, there he is.
That's the boy?
Yes.
Come here. Hey, where's the phone? I said, where's the phone?
This demands instant justice. Let her give me makeup.
Excuse me. Excuse me. I didn't bring him here because he's stolen a phone. She says she suspects him. No more, no less.
All right. So let him speak.
Look, what did you come to do here this afternoon when there was no one in the room?
It was Sister Leah who sent me. And I came to drop the things when I realized she was nowhere to be found. I swear God, I didn't take anything. Look, you can search me. I don't take nothing.
He's lying. Look how shifty his eyes look.
I think he must be made to face the Sahindra.
No. The Sahindran is too high for such a petty crime. I say we subject him to communist inferior taxes. Period.
And what is that supposed to mean? You've asked the boy about the phone and he's expressed his ignorance. What is this nonsense about Sahindran and communist inferior taxes?
Why do you keep defending this boy? I told you from day one that he's no good.
Okay, fine. There's an established process. We'll put him through that process.
What process? The only process I know is to report this matter to the hall authorities. I'm not going to stand here while you defend him and he goes to sell my phone. No.
What's going on?
We have caught a thief.
This boy?
Yes, he has stolen my phone.
What are you guys standing there for? Huh?
Look. This won't happen again. Fine, we'll take him. But he is under my charge and no one will touch him again. Is that fine? No.
It will surely be on your conscience.
Let's go.
Let God decide that.
Let's go. No one will touch him again. Let's go. Look, someone will touch him. You know him.
My dear, are you alright? Aren't you coming in?
Daddy, welcome.
Yeah. How was school?
School was fine.
Charlie, what you guys they wedge? I said we'll pound the living daylight out of this guy and make him talk. It's as simple as that.
We shall not succumb to torture. The fact of the case does not make this boy an automatic thief. We need further investigation.
And what's the meaning of that?
It means we must ask questions. For instance, when was the last time you used your phone and where?
Good. I don't see what that has got to do with anything here.
Baby girl, this is a legit question.
Why? Now is she the accused?
No, however, when you level a charge against somebody, you need to substantiate it. It is not enough just shouting thief to the rooftops.
That's right.
Better.
Eh, Bemini, I'm going to
You more reason no. I don't think if it had been your phone that was missing, you'd be standing there talking by heart. No.
You see, you are the boy said, no torture.
I will advise that we employ some level of decorum in this interaction to help maintain the present state of equilibrium. La prudencia.
So it's agreed. We refer this matter to the whole authorities.
Shit. And in the meantime, what happens to my phone?
Allow.
You girls will have to come down here.
Exactly.
Oh, Daniel.
Materialistic. AKA George Foreman.
Hey. Mind your own business.
Ashawo, look, you think you can fool around me? Eh?
Who are you calling Ashawo?
Look, I read all the filthy messages you've been exchanging with your other lovers. Huh?
Why did you take my phone?
You left it in my car.
Look, that's a so-called lost mobile phone.
Look, can I have my check back? I gave you a check for 5 million cedis this afternoon. I want it back. After all, you can call one of your other lovers to pay your hostel fees. Cheers, look, you haven't seen anything yet.
Khadija!
Okay, Khadija. Sorry, Akwesi. Very sorry, okay?
Hey. What goes around comes around. The law of averages.
Birds of the same feather flock together. The money changes.
On my own behalf and on behalf of my roommate, I want to apologize to you guys for this unfortunate debacle. Akwesi, we've wronged you so greatly. Please forgive us, okay?
It's okay, madam. After all, it wasn't your fault.
Try and see me tomorrow morning before lecture starts.
Okay.
I'll leave you guys now. Good night.
Ciao.
There goes a lady.
So is that the end of the matter?
No. The matter has just begun. It must be followed to its logical conclusion.
Better.
It was 1, now 2. The first issue, the question of theft, has been half concluded. And now the emerging issue, a moral one, the degrading of the female person.
There has been human rights abuse as well. This boy has been traumatized for nothing.
The Sanhedrin will hear of this. In fact, compensation will be one of the things discussed.
Exactement. Tuche.
Hey. So which way forward? Which way forward? First things first. You know, I have to take care of Akwesi. Now, I wouldn't mind taking him to my room for a while, you know.
Good thing. It will allow us enough time to conclude the investigations.
I like that word. You know, I did like to know what's happening in Khadija's room right now.
Temper haste, my brother.
Makes you stumble.
We have to deploy wisely.
And wisely, we shall deploy.
Come on, boy.
Bro.
Yeah. Catch you later, right?
All right. Okay.
You think this is fair? Eh? I do everything for you. Look, everything she wants, I bought for her. Just recently, she said she wants a car. And And I said, fine, I'll buy you a golf. What again? What again?
It's okay.
You! Isn't it the same thing you did to my friend Joe? You are all the same. You are all the same.
This is disgraceful. See how she's dragged all of us through the mud. The result of greed. Can you imagine?
Look here, Mr. Daniel. I understand your anger, all right. But I believe you're not being fair to some of us as well. Some of us have nothing to do with you and your relationship with Khadija, who happens to be my roommate.
Hey, you're ungrateful too. Hey, look, the TV, the microwave oven, and the fridge in the room. Where do you think it came from?
Do you know what I've also brought to that room? In any case, how am I to know that you own my roommate?
Look, you think you can also fool me, eh?
Sorry, but I believe you are totally out of place now. You better leave this premises or I'll call the street.
Look, I'm collecting my things before I leave.
You have nothing to take away from this place. Yeah.
Time to go, boys. Baby dancer, can I see you tomorrow for some liquor thing?
Yeah, thank you, sir. 5 minutes. All right. Thank you, sir.
Daddy, for once, I'm happy to see these guys.
So these are the guys that you were calling in. We shall see. If I'm a better, you see.
We're not here to fight you. Just wanted to leave him.
Yes, then everybody goes home.
If you're a try.
I've called the campus security. They're on their way coming.
Look, I'm collecting my things before I leave. Nobody fools with Danilo Blite and gets away with it. Nobody!
And what's that Khadija girl?
She's left the keys in the lock and she's not responding to our calls either.
I'm going to make sure
When will this ordeal be over?
Oh, she brought it upon herself.
Of course she brought it upon herself.
Sun City, Sun City. The light lights the park and we see clearly, 'cause the shadows in the dark could not be friendly. Sun City, 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 Sun City. Not everyone will have the chance to shine so bright. It doesn't mean we should fight. Shine your light, show your might. Sun City, Sun City, Sun City.